Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how you can delete your NIN from your OPay account. So what you need to make sure is you download the app and you're being logged in. So it's either you download the app from Play Store or Apple Store. So below here you can see a place written as me. This is the interface of my account. So you can see a place written as me. So click on that particular place written as me. So as you can see, it brought us here. So at the top right corner, that's our profile. So we'll be clicking on that profile. Okay, so after clicking on that profile, it will bring us here. As you can see, these are our details, and there's no particular place that shows delete your NIN. So what you need to do, and that's the only option, is to contact their customer care, which you can see right here. So you click on customer service center. Okay, and then you can see a place written as live chat. So that's where you can chat with the customer service there. So click on that particular live chat. Okay, so after clicking on that live chat, it's going to bring you here. So we'll click on order. We'll click on orders. You can see a lot of options, but what we're looking for is orders because they don't have a kind of issue. So below here is where you write you want to delete your NIN, and then you'll get feedback from them and they'll show you the process. Thank you.